Here is a close look at the KitchenAid Artisan series mixer in the color Onyx Black. We've had this thing for a few years now and we've absolutely loved it. Here is a quick look at some of the things that it comes with. So we have got our pour shield, we've got the dough hook and the beater, and then we also have the whip. You'll notice that both of these are coated. I personally like the metal look a little bit better, like this, the silvery stainless steel. But the coated look means that they are dishwasher safe, so that is definitely a plus. Got this nice white smooth material, and the pour shield works very well. You simply lift up the mixer here, and then you would just take the pour shield and put it right on top, just like that. Very nice and easy. I apologize, it is a little bit dirty. We've had it for a while now. And it has left a few stains, so just keep that in mind. I'll go ahead and demonstrate really quickly how well this mixer works. So we've got our lever on the side that we can move to close it to keep it from lifting. And then over here we've got all our different speeds. Just like a standard mixer, we've got off and then 0 to 10. So I'll just go ahead and demonstrate the 1 because even the 1 is pretty fast. All right, like so. The only thing I will say about this mixer that we had a hard time with, at one point, this lever here got stuck so it wouldn't go back to off. So if we wanted to turn it off, we had to unplug it, unfortunately, which made it a little bit trickier. My husband was able to tinker with it and fix the spring that was causing this. And I know this is an issue that others have had as well, so just keep that in mind. But overall, this is an excellent product and I would definitely highly recommend it. Just keep in mind that over time there might be a few issues that come up, but if you need something to mix in the kitchen, then you definitely can't go wrong with the KitchenAid Artisan series.